ओ नाही जाऊ थांबा 1 मिनिट आता. थांबा मावशी. लकड़ी वाला
बस स्टँडला 2 द्यायचे.
मॅम डिसेंबरपासून जॉईन झालेत. तुमचा माईक अनम्यूट करा मॅम.
हो सर हो सर. राजबाला मॅम. Yes.
Can I start?
Yes, ma'am, you can start. You can welcome to the guest and do the biodata.
Guests have joined us, or they will come within minutes?
No, our guest is here, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then
Yes.
Good morning to all present here. It is an honor and privilege to welcome Dr. Kaveri Lad, a distinguished member of our academic community, to today's event. Dr. Lad is a highly accomplished. Hello. Hello. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning to all present here. It is an honor and a privilege to welcome Dr. Kaveri Lad, a distinguished member of our academic community, to today's event. Dr. Lad is a highly accomplished academic research and leader whose contribution to both the Department of Management Sciences and Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University are exceptional. Currently serving as an assistant professor in the Department of Management Science, Dr. Lad's dedication to academic excellence is truly commendable. Alongside her role as a faculty member, she is the director of Rajshri Shahu Maharaj Research Center and serve as assistant chief rector of all university campus hostel. She also holds the responsibility of warden for research hostel, shaping an environment of learning and growth for countless such students. Her qualification includes a diploma in computer engineering from BT Mumbai and masters in computer application, marking the foundation of her extensive career in academia and research. As a member of Board of Studies in Management Science, Dr. Lad had made significant contribution to curriculum, including designing the BCA honors syllabus under NEP 2020 for Bhimrao Ambedkar Marathwada University. Dr. Sridhar research contribution are remarkable. With over 32 research papers published and a strong emphasis on innovation, she has been granted 3 patents in cutting-edge fields such as IoT-based cybersecurity, RFID-based e-voting system, and digital voter ID cards. Additionally, she holds a registered copyright for her work and has successfully guided numerous students both at the MPhil and PhD level. Her academic excellence is complemented by her active participation in the university growth. Dr. Lad had been the recipient of multi-awards, including the prestigious Award of Excellence in Micro Teaching from UGC HRDC, JNV University, Jodhpur. She has delivered more than 45 lectures as a resource person and has attended over 35 workshops, seminars, and conferences to continuously enhance her knowledge and expertise. Beyond the academia, Dr. Lad is deeply committed to the society, to social initiatives. She had worked tirelessly to empower young girls, organizing workshops, counseling sessions, and health camps. Through her efforts, she established two internet labs with 50 computers at the university, providing students with 24 hours access to internet and online education. Furthermore, Dr. Lad had been serving as the warden of late Yashwantrao Chavan economically backward girls hostel for the past 8 years, ensuring a supportive and enriching environment for the students. In addition to her academia and social contribution, Dr. Lad had played a vital role in several universities committee, from being a member of syllabus design committees to coordinating national and international conferences and workshops. Her commitment to the institution and its student is evident in countless initiatives she has spearheaded. We truly privileged to have someone of Dr. Lad caliber with us today. Her tireless dedication to research, teaching, and social work is an inspiration to all of us. Let us extend a warm welcome to Dr. Kaveri Sridhar Lad. We are grateful for her invaluable contribution and look forward to hearing her insights and expertise in today's event. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome you in this 14 FDP program by Bhim Rao Ambedkar University.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am, Raj Bala, ma'am. Thank you for your nice presentation. Actually, there is actually no need of an introduce to me, I think, but it's just a formality, right? Yeah. How many participants are here? I think 50, no? 41, yeah, 50, right?
Yes, yes.
54, ma'am.
How much?
54.
54, right? Okay. And what is it? Can I get a little bit information that you all are from India? Yeah, majority from the Maharashtra.
From all the states of India.
All the state of the India. Okay, fine. Actually, I hope you all will be very comfortable with an English, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Meanwhile, if anybody want to speak in Hindi, then I can, right? But I think it will be very comfortable for me because I have selected the topic, what the topic is given by the officer, that is in ICT, right? That's why I will prefer the English completely. And if anybody want to little bit things in a Hindi, I will be explain that thing in the Hindi, right? Give me a confirmation about the my PPT presentation, right? I'm sharing the my screen. Just give me a time, right? My screen is available to you?
Yes, madam. Your screen is visible to us.
Oh, okay, fine. Just give me a time. It's okay. My screen is, I hope the everyone
Yes, ma'am.
is
Yes.
available.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I heartily welcome to all of you on the behalf of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar on this faculty induction program. And I thanks to the assistant director and director of this academic staff college who give me an opportunity to share little bit what knowledge I have in front of you. Thank you so much, all of them. And today, for this faculty induction program, I have selected the topic that is called as an ICT, that is Information Communication Technology. Actually, why I selected this topic, because we all are the faculty members, and we should be we have to remain very close to the ICT, because after the COVID, everyone has realized that even though what are the faculty members are from humanities, we can say, yeah, social sciences, and what are the basic sciences and core sciences, everyone has to make an attachment to the ICT tools, because what are the innovations and upgradations are happened in the today's world, that's completely relates with an ICT. And what are the things are happening around us, some e-commerce, even the what are the strategies of business, business that change to the e-business, and what are the communications we generally performed by the manual way with a paper and letters and like this. Everything is changed, and we have to make a communication with an ICT. Means everything is changed. If anybody says that I'm not very comfortable with the ICT, then it's not good. Means everyone who is the faculty in the sciences, commerce and management, and social sciences, even the teachers who are working at and school level, yeah, UG level, yeah, who are the teacher at the 11th, 12th, everyone has to have to establish the relation with an ICT, because without ICT we cannot do anything for a student and as well as for a society also. Now, by taking that need of an ICT, I have selected these topics which will be very helpful to all the participants in their regular curriculum, we can say. I hope the what are the faculties are here. There may be a possibility that some faculty members will be from the core sciences, and they will be having a good knowledge of the topics what I am going to be taken in the today's session. But as a part of an induction program, what are the things are going to be conducted by the HRDC? We all have to go through it. In today's session, these are the topics I'm going to be covered in the today's session. Everybody know what is an ICT, but little bit I will try to give a brief overview of an ICT. What do you mean by an ICT? What are the various component of an ICT that you have to use while we are working with an ICT? What is the impact of ICT? Where ICT is used? What is the role of an ICT in the education? Because what today we are means observing, ICT plays very important role in the education, right? And so after that, I will taken some hands-on MS Office some activities we will learn. You may be know, but I will try to give in some little bit some tools which are going to be very helpful to you while you are doing the research in your what is then in your academic curriculum. Now see, it's a very important for us that you have to many times you have to maintain the attendance and result online. Google's there is a lot of tools in the Google that help us, but for every faculty, it's not possible to make an very comfortable with an Google Classroom and all this thing, right? But by using an simple MS Excel and by using very 3, 4, 5 commands, at least you can learn how to maintain the records and what is the repetitive tasks generally you have to do in our curriculum in academic that can be reduced if you learn little bit Excel. Now it's very important that what is an e-learning and what is an e-content. Now every student is asking us that, ma'am, I'm doing a job, I'm doing and this, I'm doing a part-time work, and it's not comfortable to me. Sometimes I have to go there. I missed your lecture. Can you share me any video that you have? So now by using by using an PowerPoint, right, PPT, you can create a video, and it's very simple. Means there is no need of and learn lot of things. Means there is no need of an means very upgraded technology, right? By using an PowerPoint 2013 also and upgrade what is an we can say versions of an PowerPoint, which should be 2013 and more than 2013 MS Office, right? By using a simple tool, only one tool, we can record your voice. By using an PPT, you can create the video, and that video you can upload on the YouTube channel. It's a very simple. By using an 2 and 3 commands, we can create that videos, and that videos you can make it as in public, and you know that means what is then your how your research is counted by using and what we can say citation numbers, and we can say what is an H index, I index, like this. And if you upload your small PPTs with an video, audio on a YouTube, and if the students are means assessing it, yeah, students are getting a knowledge from that PPT, then definitely you will get and record how many candidate has seen that PPT, that video, and that will be counted as a strong academic factor also. So very simple, I will try to create an one video. I will teach you how to create a video by using an PPT and how you can upload it on YouTube. Right. After that, I will try to cover the one important topic that is called as in Google Form. Everybody know how we have to create a Google Form, but little bit some how we can add the images in the Google Form, how we can conduct the test, or we can create a quiz, how we can set the timers, and how we can add the add-ons facility in Google Form or in a quiz. That things we will learn little bit here. Now, many times means it's a very difficult to carry the pen drive and hard disks and laptop, and many times you have to store your data on the cloud. Means we all are storing the data on the cloud. Where and how we will see. If you have an Gmail account, the by default, you can say that I have a cloud, means I have a facility of an cloud storage. What are the emails and what are the data you are storing on a mail, that by default it will be on the cloud. Therefore, nobody can say that I do not have a knowledge of an cloud, right? What is the Google Drive or Google Drive? What the capacity, what the facilities given by the Google for us to store the data, that all data by default is stored on the cloud. And suppose some important data you have, and there is a possibility that your data can be corrupted, your laptop can be corrupted, your pen drive can be miss then every important data you can upload on the Google Drive. And how we can upload that data on the Google Drive, that will also we will learn in the today's session. Now the next important thing, that how we can create an QR for the Google form and quiz. Everybody know that what is a quick response. People want a very quick everything. People want in a very quick form. Means they do not have a time. They don't want to type anything. Just they want to scan the QR and they want to do the work. The word is means running behind the such type of an attitude. How we can create an QR for the quiz, right? Later on, I will focus on that how you can share your data, cloud data to other persons. Suppose there is an important data and that data should be observed by 5-6 people. What is the progress of our data? If you want to facilitate that facility to our staff, so we can. The next thing I didn't mention here in the content of my today's lecture, but many people face some problems, right? Which problems? That is that UR is a very big UR is generated generally, and suppose you want to make it as an very teeny URL, right? So how we can create a teeny URL by using some online tools are available for that. We will take how the teeny URL can be generated, right? The next important thing is that many people are facing some problems, such as that in a Google form they said us that upload the PDF file, and generally what happened, generally the your data is in the form of an photo, right? Means JPG file, right? And what is the requirement of a PDF file? Many people are facing such types of problem that JPG file is not going to be uploaded to that particular Google form. Then there is a need to convert your JPG file into the PDF file, right? Sometimes there is a need of and upload the Word file or PDF file, and you have another type of file. So that file we can convert into the particular file what you want. There are the online tools are available for that. By using that tool, we can convert the Word to PDF, Excel to Word. We can convert the JPG to the PDF, image to the PDF, right? Such types of tools hands-on we will cover in today's session. The next important thing is that many times what is our requirement will be that like this. Suppose the data come from the 10 people. From 10 people, I received and data, and all data, some data is in the Word form, some data is in the PDF form, and my need is what I want to what is my requirement is that I want only one PDF, right? But here the 10 types of data I have, means there is not a similarity for the data I have received from the n number of people, right? In this case, first of all, I have to convert what is the different type of data I received into the very conical form. Means what is my requirement? It should be in very similar form. How we can convert your receive the data which is already in the different form in a PDF, or what is the requirement Word file. We will make all the data in the very similar form, and later on we can merge it in a one file, right? So such types of tools are available that 5 PDF and 5 Word file I have, and my requirement is that I want in one PDF file. So what I will do, I will convert this 5 Word file into the PDF first, and then I will merge all the PDF file. Such facility is available for us, right? That tool also we will cover in the today's session. Then another important tool we are going to be learn, that is, suppose you received the data as a one PDF, right? And now you are in need of and separate the data, right? So how we can split that data, into the different file. That technique also we will learn in the today's session. Now, sometimes what happened, you have a file of, and suppose 20 GB and 15 GB, yeah, 2 GB like this, and it not allow me to send that file, right? It's a very difficult. So you can compress that file. Means there are the online tools are available. By using that tools, we can compress, means what? You can reduce the size of your file, and later on you can send that file to the end user. So such types of lot of facilities are available, right? One important thing again I'm going to be covered in this lecture, that is, many people want and draft the letter in a different language, right? And suppose I want to draft the letter in Marathi, then there is an again Google input tool is available, that how we can use it, uh, that we will cover in the today's session. The another important tool is there, means lot of tools are there, but you can refer anyone that for that. So now suppose I don't want and type, right? I want very quickly, I want to generate the document, right? Within some minutes, right? Then first you just try to draft what you want in English or Marathi, what you want. And there is a tool that is the spell to text. Just you have to read that content, and it will create and e-content. Means orally you have to read that content, and that tool will be convert that speech, whatever spell, speech into the word, into the text. That tool also I'm going to be covered in the today's session. The another important tool is there. We can say that suppose everybody know that ChatGPT, right? And suppose you want to create some script and all these things. So I will give you a little bit demo how we can create the Marathi script, Hindi script, English script by using ChatGPT, right? And lastly, suppose what happened while we are writing a research paper, right? Many times what happened from us, that by us, that we are just copying some data. Copying means we are not doing the wrong things, just we are taking it as a reference to in our research paper. But all of you know that while I am copying, I am going to be copy and a particular paragraph from one journal to in my research paper as it is, right? Then what will happen? The plagiarisms will be generated there, because even though, see, that taking and reference from any research paper is valid, but if you are saying that no, this is my content, that is not valid. You have to give the credit to the person who is from where you have taken that references. These are the little bit topics I'm going to be covered, and I hope all you will be enjoyed the session, I think, right? Now, what is an ICT? We know that there is no need to define what is an ICT. But in a simple word, if I want to tell you that what is an ICT, right? But here, just in a very simple language, I want to define the ICT is nothing but it's an it is an integration of and what computer system, internet, hardware, and people. When you integrate all these together, then ICT is going to be generated, right? Means everything is needed to establish and ICT. Hardwares are needed, softwares are also needed, internets are also needed. Then hardwares are also going to be needed. Some software, which types of softwares are needed? At least basic things you should know. And while I integrate all these things together, then I can able to facilitate or take an availability and take an facility of an ICT. So generally, the ICT is a term which is used to share the things among the people, we can say, or share the things around the world, we can say, right? So this is the main concept of an ICT. Actually, I already defined what is an ICT, but technically, if we want to see what is an ICT, it is nothing but, sir, I already told you that it is a technical tools, we can say. A very technical definition of an ICT is what? It is a technical tools and services. Without if we are saying that no, I have a tool and I do not have any services, then ICT will not be going to be work, right? So what is an ICT? It refers the technical tools and services that use operate network-based monitoring and control devices, right? And today we all are the eyewitness to see where the ICT is implemented everywhere, right? Not in the education, but in the all the management, in the all the businesses, in the all the transmission system, broadcasting, everywhere we are using the ICT. Now, some components are needed. Means when you want to say that I am using an ICT, so some components are there. Without that component, our ICT will not be work properly, right? Now, see, communication technology is a very important component. I hope everybody know that what do you mean by communication technologies, right? LAN, we can say WAN, MAN, these are the lot of communication technologies are there. At least one technology you have to use in the ICT. Now, cloud computing plays very important role. Before few minutes, I told you that we all are in the era of and social media, right? And we are sharing the data on a social media also, and not on the social media, but even we are taking in facility of and cloud computing in the administrative work also, right? Means sending the data, storing the data, assessing the data, manipulating the data. Today everything is happening within cloud computing. Means very few use of and your hard disk and floppy drive is there in the today's era, right? Why, means we are using the hard disk and floppy disks just for our duplicate copy, but that hard disks and hard disks and USB, we can say that pen drive is not too much secured. Means anybody can store it and manipulate your data. But what the data you are storing on the cloud, that remain secured, but you have to take in facility like that. If you are sharing your data as in public, then it will remain public, right? But if you want to store your data in very secure form, then you have to take in facility of an private cloud computing, right? Then public cloud computing will be not good for us. You have to take in facility for private cloud computing. Then and then your data will be secure, right? Some softwares are required. We will see even we are using and MS Office, that is a software. Hardware is also required. Internet access, some facilities are required. Data is also important. Transactions are also important. All these are the components of an ICT. And I'm not going in very deep, but what is an important of ICT, everybody know. Very quickly, I will cover this theoretical part. You know that in a business organization, ICT is required. Even what are the smart or intelligent functionalities are introduced in today's era. We can say that, and data analytics, data analysis, we can say IoT devices, then artificial intelligence are there, smart intelligence are there. What is and online AI tools are available everywhere ICT is needed, right? And economics development, there is a need of an ICT. Then advertising, we are seeing that a lot of advertisings are there while we are assessing the YouTube e-content, or we are assessing the multimedia from other resources. Yeah, we are using the we can say that the WhatsApp and Facebook social media. That time also some advertises are popped between the your while you are assessing that particular video. So in all these thing, or in all these advertise also, the ICT plays a very important role. Again, why there is a need of an ICT as an human being, we can say, or as an part of a society, because it helps us to enhance the communication, improves the education. Now anybody can take an facility of online platform, online learning platform, and anybody can join from anywhere. That is called as individual classrooms are available. Then there is a lot of things are available in the ICT that help us to increase the knowledge day by day. Now everybody know where we are using an ICT. There is no single field is remained in the today's era where the ICT is not used, right? Education, then air and water management, mobility, then real estate, industries, manufacturing, safety, health, then electricity and gas also. We are using the ICT now in the today's era. And if you want to book the gas, there is or are a lot of what the apps are given by that particular services. Just you have to download that apps and you have to book the gas. You can pay the electric bill online. So for all these things, little bit you should know the at least basic handling knowledge of an ICT. At least you should be able to operate that particular operation, right? Particular application. You should be able to install it and uninstall it and all these things, right? And at least basic things you should know: how to open, how to manipulate, how to close. That basic ICT knowledge is needed to communicate with an that particular application. If we think about the education, what is the role of an ICT in the education? As a faculty member, you all of know very well that how the ICT is needed for us, right? So now these are the some basic major we can say the areas are there where we are using the ICT in the academics, right? Uh, Generally we are trying to given what assignment using an ICT tools, and we are trying to send the messages, notices by using an ICT tools, and lot of use we can take from the ICT. Actually, ICT help us to reduce our work also. What is the repetitive work is there, no? So we can reduce by using an ICT tools, right? While we are talking about the ICT implementation, basically, you should know the two important things. of an ICT implementation. Computer hardware, computer software, and I already told you that some important services are required. Without that, it is not possible to establish the communication between the two-person, we can say, yeah, one to many also we can say, or we can say from India to America also, means worldwide communication we can establish by using and what ICT. Now, keep in mind what is the hardware is mandatory as well as in software is also mandatory, right? So now I'm taking in now the session for you. So definitely I'm need of and that mouse also, then is computer is needed, internal services lab, my mobile is also connected to the system, means all these things is needed. But at least you should know about the computer software, right? All of you know that software is nothing but it is an what it is a set of the programs, and generally these programs are developed by the developer, right? The developers are giving us a facility. Ready-made programs are provided by the developers, and we are just handling that softwares. So basically, there are the system softwares are there. Some application softwares are there. Utility softwares are there. Computer security softwares are there. Now, just I want to tell one important thing about the system software. System softwares are nothing but it is an set of the programs, right? That programs are developed by developer, and that program run by computer itself. That is called as a system software. For example, Windows. Windows is operating system. What are the operating systems are available? Linux is there, right? iOS is there. Lot of operating systems are available. All the operating systems are treated as a system software, right? And what are the application software? Generally, what the apps we are using in your mobile, in your computer system, or in your laptop, all that softwares are going to be treated as a application software, right? Means just that software you have to install either in your laptop or in your smartphone, and just you have to handle it. That comes under the application software. I want to give example of an application software is that phone pay, right? Then what is the applications are of an banks, you know, and what are the WhatsApp and all these things. All these are and comes under the application software. Now, what is the utilities software are there? For example, suppose you want to scan scan your PC, you want to scan your pen drive, you want to use some compiler and interpreter to convert your high level programming language into the machine language. When you want to take in some utilities, such type of utilities, then some utilities softwares are available. Then computer securities applications are available. Generally, we are using this software in the bank and all these things to secure your data. But keep in mind which type of software is needed in which area. At least you should know that the basic about the computer system. Now, I want to start with a little bit a tool. What is then that tool I want to explain here. Just let me close the Zoom. I want to close the Zoom only 1 minute. Now see, my screen is audible. Screen is visible. Are you comfortable with this screen? Because I want to show some demos, online demos.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Visible, no? Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, today I will take in two important tools that we have to use, right? One is called as citation, so how we can cite the how we can make a citation by using an in a MS Office. And then another important topic, I will give a demo to you that what is the important role of an caption in the MS Office. I have selected important point from the MS Office, then MS Excel, and from the PowerPoint, right? Before that, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Now see
Yes,
what I
madam,
will.
muted, don't worry.
Okay. See, you should be means very able to create an data, quick data, right? I will open an NA file here, right? Just I open an MS Office, and what I will do, I will open and my just a second. I will open my net, and on the net I will copy the data, some little bit data I'm trying to copy here. From anywhere you can copy the data. So I will copy the data, computer software and hardware. So now see, if I use here from Wikipedia, so I will open it. I will take an data from this Wikipedia, right? Now, what I'm trying to do, I will copy this data, right? Make a copy of this one and paste in the Word, right? Now see, this data, I will make multiple copies of this one. I will make it as an black, I want an text as in black. Now, I hope everybody know that there is an space. Yeah, there are the short keys also there. If I use Control 5, then it will take an space. Control 2, it will add the 2-line space. Otherwise, you can assign the spaces from here also, right? If I make it as an 1.5 and then Control J, that is an justified, right? And I will make a copy and paste, right? So here I will make a copy paste, right? Copy paste, again copy paste, make a copy paste, right? Here I have created and some data like this, right? Copy paste, right? Now 12 pages I have created here. You can see what are that 12 pages, right? Now suppose I want you can make an alignment properly, right? Now suppose I want to add here the citation here, right? References. I want to add the references here, right? Go to the references, and in references there is an insert citation is there, right? And add an citation here. Now see, from where I copy that data I have taken from the site. Therefore, I will add here a website, right? And what is an author? Now, we don't know what is an author, but when you copy the data, at least you try the who have posted this one. So now see here, when I click on 1 and 2 here, it will display me the who is an author for this one, right? If I mention there, it is an Gilstar and Ron. What is the year 2001, right? At least this basic knowledge you should have. I am copying this one, and I will for a while I will paste it into the notepad file. So I will paste here, right? So who is an author and all these things you have to add here, right? So what is an author? I will copy this author for a while, right? Copy this one and I will paste here. Now, what is the name of the web page? Now we know that we have copied it from the Google. So I will write here Google. And what is the website of an Google, right? So www.google.com, right? And what is the year and month and day? When you are referencing it, I hope everybody know that at least that data should in your hands, right? Suppose I say it is in 2001. So that data generally you have to cover. And what is the month? Suppose if not month, generally month is there. If I say the 4th month and day is 12, and I want an URL here. So now what you have to do? You have to go in this area, make a copy it, and now paste in the here. Right. Now like this, you can add the references, right? Suppose you want to add the bibliography here. I will just go here, references and bibliography, right? So first this bibliography I will quote here. Now see, what is the things I have added in the my citations, right? And that will be added here. I can make a copy of all these things from here. I can copy from here and paste somewhere at the end of my research paper. So now like this, you can cite the, you can create a citation by using the tool that is called as references and insert citation. It's a very simple. It's a very simple, right? So there are the lot of advanced things are there, right? But we for us it's a very sufficient, right? To means cite the make any citations, right? Here again, suppose you want to quote here from an journal, from any journal. So you can go here in a references and say insert the citation, then again add the citation. Now suppose you want to add the from the journal article, right? And I will say that here journal, right? And then there should be one journal in your hand. There is my one journal is there. I will open my journal, right? Here, this one, it's an very means it's that journal treated it as a very original paper for me. So I will just copy and paste this one. Now I want cite the journal, and this is my article which is published in the journal, right? So now what the things are asking me, the who is the author? If I say here the Kaveri Lad is the author, and if any corporate author is there, that you can do. What is the title of that journal? So you have to take on what is the title, that is an International Journal of Applied Research. So just you have to put here International Journal of Applied Research, right? I think this is the name of a journal. So therefore, I have to quote here that journal here name. And what is the title of an author? What is the title of my research paper? You have to quote this one. Many times this data not copy properly, right? So I will give you suggestion, make a copy and open a notepad, and in notepad try to paste it. It will without any disturbance, it will copy your data very properly. And then from this here, make a copy, and then I will try to paste here, right? I will paste my title here. Now that again some issue is there with the title, I have to correct it, right? Make an this one. Many times this will happen when we are trying to access the online content. So some extra effort you have to take to copy all the data. And what is an year is there? So I will just say what is an year 2017. So right here 2017, right? And now it will ask me the pages, which pages you referred, right? They will give you a sample by what way you have to give an pages name. So here there will be a pages number is here Now see from the 363 to I think it's an 366, right? So just you have to code there 363 to 366, right? And just make it as an okay. Now that data is added here. See, if I try to add the bibliography here, just I will say here references and add the bibliography. So now this bibliography is added here. Now see, so like this, it's a very best tool that help us to make a citation. And there is a lot of things are available there. But for us, it's an important to just cite the things in the MS Office, and that help us to rearrange it. Very frequently, you can rearrange it. You can sort the data in ascending order. You can sort your references in descending order. You can sort the journal wise your citation. You can sort the web wise your citations. So this is a very important tool. I will share you some link also. By using that link, you can again watch the specific videos and you can try for the citation, right? Now, another important point is that how we can create the captions. This is a very important. Means while we are framing a thesis, the thesis is not of and 2 and 3 pages at 20 pages. It will of and 500, 600 pages, yeah, 400 pages. And for us, it's a very important to manage the caption, right, and table name, right? So what I will do, I will open this file, right? I will open my file. This is my file, right? I will delete it for a while, right? Delete it. Now we will try to insert some images here, right? Already I have stored some images, but if you want some images, it's a very simple. Go to the Google and you can search for the images here. I want to suppose computer images, yeah, education images, right? You search it, so it will display you a lot of things, right? Just click on it, yeah, otherwise just right click it and make an save image as, just save it as an image. I will save in the here, that is I will make it as an image 10, right? So like this you can download the images and you can store the images in your PC. And if what are the images you have downloaded that is related to your what your thesis, or what the images you have created as your own and that is your part of the thesis, so how we can create and captions for all this, right? Now see, for that just I have to go in the references. I will first insert the image. So go in the image and insert the picture, right? Which pictures are be a part of your thesis? Yeah, part of your research journal. You have to insert that pictures in your Word files. So, but I am trying to insert some file here, right? And my files are available in the my folder, that is an ICT. So I will make the some, I will copy this one and I will say here, this is in my select it and now say here that is called as an insert caption. That image should be selected, right? And insert caption, you have to click on the insert caption, right? Now this is the figure one, but I will give some title here to that figure, right? I will say here the education for child. I have just specified the name of that one, education for the child, and make it as an okay. Now see, this is an in the center, right? I have insert and one caption to here. Now on the second page here, again I will try to insert one picture, right? And I will take an here from any image. I will take here. I will take this image, and I will select it, and I will quote here a caption. So click on reference, then insert the caption, and then I will say here the education for rural student, right? And then make it as an OK. Now, if I want to, there is a short key, Control E means center, Control E, E, L, F, these are the short keys. By using that, we can align your data either in the left side, right side, and center side. I will again add some more. So again, I will say here insert and again picture. And then I will add here the one more slide. I will make it as an center. Again, I will reference and I will say insert the caption. And I will say here the education for women. Like this, I will make it a change. Now I added here three. I will add one more here, insert the picture, and then I will add here the one more here, image, and again I will center it. Again I will insert the caption, and I will say here education for urban, like this, right? Now once I created all these things, so what you have to do now, here I'm creating, I will go here, move the cursor at the top of this one, and just say here references and insert the table of figure, And now all these are your figure, no? It is not table, therefore I will say it's a figure. Now see, very systematic manner that a table is generated here. There is no need of and do anything explicitly. What we did, just we added the images and then we added the captions for that images, and later on we say insert the table figure. Now see, if I want to add the spaces, so I will add the spaces here from the home. I will add some spaces here, more than 2, right? Now click, just see here. When I go here, when my cursor will move here, it will give me one form that if you click here with a control key, what will happen? Yeah, I press the control key and click on this one, my cursor will move there. Now, if I click on this one, right, and then I click here, right, my cursor will move to that particular line number. Like this, you can create a caption. Now, what is an advantages of this one, right? See, I added, suppose, once I completed my work and later on, I added some more images here. For example, I added here the, this is an one education image I added, and I center it, and then I will add the references here, that is caption here, and I will say that education for whole word or for word, right? Now just click on OK. Again, I will add the one more image here, that is insert and picture here, and I will add the here one more image, any image I can add the here and center it, and then I will say here, click here and give the note, caption note for this one, and I will say here that education for degree, right? Now I added the 2 more, but that will be not going to be reflected here. Why? Because when I inserted this table, later on I added there, right? So what I have to do, again freshly I have to say that insert the table of the figure, and then just it's in figure and click on OK. Now see, all the things are added automatically here. So now see, what are the captions we have given, that all are added here. Now if I say here, click, that will be moved to that particular, right? If I click on the this one, that is the last one, that will be moved to this one. Now suppose you feel that there is a mistake in the title there are there is a means there are two, three pictures are there. There is an error. If I want to correct it now, how I can correct it now? Education for child student. I added the students word here, right? If I say there here, urban student, specific to girls and boys, right? I made in changes, right? Again, I say that urban woman. If I made some little bit changes in my title, right? Captions. So what we have to do then? Just you have to go there again. You have to select this one, and just I want to click on the update table, right? I have to say now. See, first of all, what are the changes I have made here that is not reflected here? See, what the changes I did here? Here I add the child word, right? Child student, but here there is a no child student, right? So what I have to do here, I have to just click on the update table, right? Then I want to say I want to enter the entire table, right? Just click on this one. Automatically see that what are the changes I have made in my caption. All these are highlighted in my uh, caption, right? So like this is a very powerful means tool that we can implement in our research thesis or in our real one also, real work also. So now you can create and cross references also. What do you mean by cross references? See, suppose I have quote my cursor here, right? And I will say cross references and one second. No? Just one second. No? I will suppose one tool first I will take and then I will move for later on. Now see, there is an suppose you want to make an what some formatting. What formatting I made here, that is called as an this is an suppose I make it as an red, right? No? Red, I make it as in red and I change make it as in bold also, and many at many place I want to copy this formatting, right? So what we will do, I will just there is an format painter. I have to just it click on it, and where I want to apply, see this brush will be there, just you want to, but till that brush is active, right? Why this brush is active? Because I want to format it on a more one, right? So this will save your time, but you have to click on double click on that tool. So now that tool will be remain live till I do not press escape or enter key. That will be remain alive. So where you want in same formatting, I can make in same formatting for this one, right? So now I can create a caption. I can create a caption for the images, as well as we can create a caption for table also. So this is a very important tool, caption. So if I want to create a table, suppose if I create a table here, for example, here I press an escape, that point, that formatting format painter will be disabled then. If I say here insert the table, and if I insert the table like this, right, and I want an only one space here, so remove the space from home. So I will remove the space here. I just this is my table, right, and I will make a copy and paste of this one. I will not type in more this one, only serial number, because lot of tools we have to cover here, name, then contact number, and then address. This is in my table, and just I will make the bold and I will fill the color in this one, right? This is my, I fill the color. Right. Now I will make a copy of this one in a 2 or 3 space. Make a copy, and I will make a paste of this one. I will make a pasting here also. Again, you can paste here, right? You can create a caption of this one also. Same rule is there. What you have to do, just you have to select that particular table, right? Suppose I select this table, right? Select this table, again, references, then caption. Now, instead of figure, here you have to select a table. Now the table, and then you have to give a title. Only simple change you have to specify there. Instead of figure, here you have to select a table, and same process you have to follow. What is the name of the table you want? That is in table 1 for what details of student, like this, right? And I just click on OK. Now that will become here. Again, same. Again, same what you have to do. Again, you have to insert the table caption to all my table. Here, suppose again, second one, suppose I want to add the caption here. Then now caption here, and here I will say that table 2 details of BCA student. Like this, you can create captions for the all the tables. Now, when I move the cursor here at the top of the screen, and I want to add that one, so what I will do is insert the table of the figure. Just click here, table, and OK. So now see that only 2 tables are come here because I have created only 2, that's why, right? So now when I click on this one, control with this one, my cursor will move for that caption. So write this, that captions we can create it in the Word, right? That's a very powerful tools for the caption, right? Now, we can move for the very important thing that is called as how we can add the watermark. Everybody know that what do mean by watermark, right? Watermark is nothing but it's an word generally that will be appears backgrounds of an documents. Now I want to show you when your data is very important, and in that case, suppose you want to create watermark, how we can say. Now see, suppose I have one sample to show here. Now see, if I open this one, right, this is our important document is there, right? Means which type of the my question paper pattern will be for the affiliated colleges for this particular course, right? And suppose you want to do such important documents, then what is then behind this one? This is called as what? Bookmark, right? Watermark, we can say. Now you can add the your copyright images as an watermark for your document, or you can quote any we can say text as an watermark to your documents. Means nobody can copy your content. That will be if anybody is copy, then that will be plagiarized, right? So if you want to perform such type of operations, such type of we can say watermark, then in Word there is one facility that is called as an add the watermark. Now, for example, now see, I will use this file. Now there is no any watermark, right? I want to add the watermark on this file. Very simple. I will go in the design. Now, what is the step? I will share this PPT to you. Now, what you have to do? You have to select the watermark from the design. Now, design is one tool here. One sub tool is sub menu is there. I have to go for the design. and InDesign there is an watermark, right? Now see, there is a predefined are there confidential, do not copy, like this, right? If you want to say confidential, now see at the back of your page it will display confidential, right? If you want to make your own one, right? So I will remove this one. So my watermark is removed from the my document. And generally, when you are creating your own document and you want to upload it on a Wikipedia, yeah, on a social media, and if you feel that nobody will the copy that content, or nobody will claim that document is of him or her, then you can make that document as a copyright document, and you can add the user defined watermark to your documents, so nobody will copy that one. Suppose you want to create your own, then just go in the custom watermark, and here see you can add a picture as an watermark also, right? When I click on the picture, the see here it will ask me the which picture you want to add. So just click on this one, and if I want from the file, so I will browse it and I will add the, suppose I want this image as an watermark for my my documents. So now see, it's a very light it display, right? Because why? I selected there as an washout, right? If I not click on the washout, then it will display me in the color form. But when I create in a color form, so what will happen? My data is going to be little bit means not visible very properly. Therefore, we can add it. We can customize it generally in the form of washout, right? Suppose you want to create your own one, na? So just instead of picture, you have to just click on the uh, text watermark, and I'm saying that sample of MCA question paper. You can customize it. So now if I customize it, now see here, sample of my MCA question paper, this will become my watermark. So like this, you can create the watermarks by using MS Office. This is the very basic tool is there, right? Now, this about a little bit, I demonstrated you about the basic important, what are the important for the teacher or faculty member, that 2-3 tools. Actually, there are n number of tools, but what I feel it's a very important for a faculty member, just I have taken into the consideration for you this session, right? Now, the next important thing I want to explain here, that is, in a MS Excel, 2-3 things I'm going to be covered in MS Excel also, because again we want to learn how to create an video from the PPT, and another important tools we have to cover in the session. Now see, generally while we are working with an Excel, right? So now see, generally when I try to make an this will be treated as my string, everybody know, and this will be treated my number, and you know that we cannot perform any arithmetic operation on the string, right? If you want to perform the arithmetic operation, then there should be a numbers, right? And Excel is a very powerful tool that help us to perform the we can say it's an accountancy software also, we can say n number of people are using it as an accountancy software also. Those means for a very small shop and all these things. Generally today everyone is trying to buy an software as per the requirement of their need. Very few people are there, they are till today they are using an Excel because Excel having a lot of facility and formulation tools are there. Now suppose you want an, I will demonstrate one Excel file here. I will cover that through the Excel file. Let me open that Excel file. There is a one Excel sheet is there. I will open it in a Excel form. Now see in the first sheet. Now see if I type here like this 67 kg plus suppose 30, and if I try to make a formula, how we can give a formula? Everybody, I hope everybody know these are called as a row and these are called as an columns, right? And every cell is a intersection of a row and column. When I click on this one, so here observe the what is an cell address, we can say J is my column and 14 is my row. The every cell is addressed very properly in the Excel, and by using this address we can manipulate the things, right? And you know that if I want to use any formula, I have to use an equal sign. It's a very basic, but I want to make an addition, multiplication of these two, yeah, addition of these two. This is the kg, I will correct. And you have to use an equal sign there. If I click on this one, multiplied by this one, it will give me an error. See, it will say that it cannot be happen. Why? Because there is a text we have quoted here. There is an text. That text is not allowed in the my calculations, and I want the data in that form. So what we can do here now? See here, you have to select the range in which you want to add the data like this, right? Yeah, like this. And then you have to customize that data. And in customize, I have to quote and condition. Now see how. Suppose this is my data, right? This is my cell, right? This is my cell from this to this, right? Select it. And then when I right click on this one, or there is one tool is there. I can say here the customize one thing. Now I can select from home also. So there is one option that is called as an customize the data, general data. This is an customize will be here. If it is not possible for you, if there is no customize is available here, then just right click on here. Format the cell, right? Format the cell. And in format, I have to just click on the customize. See, I have select the range, right? And after that, what you have to do, just see what I did here. You have to select the 0 here, right? Customize 0, and then you have to press and space, and what you want, you have to type there, right? Suppose I click on this 0, and now after that, press up space, and what you want, suppose I want an kg, right? Or if I want an kg, right? And then close this one, and then okay. Now see, in this area, for the area I have selected H16 to H29. If I select this data, so by default, it will be added kg in all the values what I am going to be entered here, right? But up to the, here I did up to the 30, sorry. Up to this, I think I added the kg, right? So here the kg is added. And if I quote in some value here, now see, I'm trying to add this value. So that is going to be manipulated now, right? If I try to manipulate this data, manipulations are going to be happen because I customize that data. How we customize? Just we have selected the properties, that is an format cell. And now if I try to give an formula, this multiply by this and press enter, then now this can be done because I change the format of this range only, right, up to this one. So now like this, if you want to add any particular unit of your experiment reading in your Excel sheet, and you want to perform some operations on that unit, you can put uh, either either an prefix or postfix. So generally, we code the unit as an postfix, not an prefix. So like this, we can use the Excel tools. Another important tool I want to explain here in the Excel. Everybody know that how to create a graph and all these things. Everybody know that are very, very basics are there that can be, we can do like this, right? But I'm not going to explain that how to create a graph and all these things, because when I select this data and I say the plot a graph, so definitely this will create a graph for me, right? Insert, and when I say plot the graph, it's not means big deal. You also create and this type of graphs and all these things, right? And you can customize the title and all these things, right? So this is the very, very simple. But suppose you are conducting the test, and you do not have any software with you, and you want to create and soft copies of your result and all these things. So you can once you can create and data like this, right? Suppose there are the four subjects I have taken into the consideration, and I have just created total. Everybody know that how to create the total. When I click on this one, so it will create a sum, and then it will when I drag it, it will create a total. Like this, I created the percentage also formula. Out of 400, this marks is obtained. Out of 100, how much? I just quote an formula here, that is 100 multiplied by this divided by 400, and I just drag it. But this is an important. Suppose the person who do not have a knowledge of coding and database and all these things, by using very simple function, you can generate the result grade of the student. Now see how. Suppose I want to create whether what is the grade, pass or fail. Now nested grading is also there, but for that little bit you should have a knowledge of coding. We can use a nested if also. I can see whether it is a pass or fail. I have to press an equal sign here, and you know that generally what is the criteria of grade. Generally, in school level, we are saying that if the percentage is greater than 35, then that particular person is passed, right? So I will use here if equal to if in bracket. My condition is depend on this cell, right? If this cell, I will click that cell is greater than and is equal to 35, comma. If this condition is true, then that student is passed, the quotation close, comma, that student will be failed. So this is the simple if I used here, simple if. Nested if can be, right? And now see, the marks is 50, that is then passed, right? But even you can ATKT and all these things also you can do by using this formula, right? But that is again, that concept is again relates with coding. Means first of all, you have to try to what will be and code for that one, how I have to decode it. to get, and whether it is an ATKT, pass, first class, yeah, distinction, and all these types of grade we can. But I hope for us it's not mandatory. It is just for keeping a record with us regarding the test and all these things. And when I drag this one, automatically the grade is going to be calculated. Now this grade is failed because the percentage is the 33.5. And when I try to enter the marks, right, that grade is going to be changed, failed to pass. The once just you have to prepare the sheet, and later on you have to just feed the marks. Automatically total percentage and grade of all the students are going to be generated. But first of all, you have to formulate that sheet. These are the marks, that marks are going to be changed, right? But this formula, this percentage formula and grade is not going to be changed. So what you have to do, you have to copy the name of all the students, how many tests you are going to be conducted, make the separate sheets for that. Even you can do in a one sheet also. But what is an important to keep all the test record, only 3 commands are required, right? That is total, you have to make a summation. Another one is percentage, how we can calculate the percentage. Out of 400 to 202 is obtained. The how much from 400, like this, that formula you have to quote here. Again, you have to drag that formula. That formula will be automatically calculated for the all. For only one student, you have to calculate the grade by using an if function, and automatically when you drag that one, that will be automatically calculated for all the students. This is the just what I feel that the teacher can do the good with this Excel basic commands. So I have taken that small commands for the individual exam records you can maintain. Now, there are the lot of facilities are given by the Google. You can create all these things in a Google also. Now, I want to explain the next important thing. I explain it, how we can formulate the we can specify the formula. Little bit time constraint we have, therefore very quickly I am moving to the very next important point, that is called as an how the PPT can be converted into the video, right? There is a need of a break or no need?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a need.
We will have a
Okay, so we will take a how
short, yes.
short break we will take. How many? 5-10 minutes?
Yeah,
Yes,
10
madam.
minutes.
We can take a break of 10 or 15 minutes. It is
Okay.
our daily practice, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we will
Yes.
again reassemble now. 12:32 is there. We
Yes.
will come
Well,
back
Quarter to.
quarter 1.
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
will again reassemble here.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
I hope all come back.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will start in next important part, right? That is how PPT can be converted into the video, right? Now, actually, suppose you don't want an add an your voice directly. You want to just create a video of that one. So that's a very simple. Now see, I will open in one simple PPT. So here I have one PPT. So I will open that PPT, that is, and I open this one, right? Very few, 3-4 PPTs are there, right? And here, suppose I want, this is a PPT, and I didn't mention any animations here, right? You can how to add the animation, everything you know very well, right? Means select the particular thing and go in animation, and this is a very basic things regarding the animation, right? And all I hope everybody know that how we can insert the animations, right? But I want to add, I want to create the video of this one, right? Video means what? That can be play automatically in a MP3 or which is a video software. In that particular software, it will run automatically, right? So there are the two ways, which are that now by using an online website, just you have to open the particular website that helped me to convert the PPT to video, right? And just I have to drag and drop my PPT, and then I have to click on the convert, right? So now see, it's and that video you can upload it on your YouTube also, right? So now see, I will open in here one Google, and I will say, I will quote here that I want the convert PPT to video, PPT to video. Here there are the lot of softwares are there. Anyone we can open it, right? And if I click on this or this, any, you click on anyone, and it will allow me to just, you have to make a drag and drop, right? And then you have to play it with any particular software. But it's an, see here, it will ask me duration, then resolution, high resolution है, टाइप हमने कुछ भी नहीं दिया यहाँ पे, आप टाइप भी दे सकते हैं, बट हमने टाइप कुछ भी नहीं दिया यहाँ पे, और मतलब क्योंकि ये इतना हमारे काम का नहीं रहता है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट दिस concept is not fulfill our requirement. But as an emergency, if you do not have a very advanced MS Office tool, then this isn't good. You can utilize this free software to convert the PPT to the video, right? So means it will take a less time, and the student can easily pause that particular video. If you mark anything by hand, or if you handle the particular things with an pen and pencil, online pen and pencil, then it will be good. But if you want to add your voice and image, your own image, then this will be not very comfortable. What I will do, I will try to convert, I will open the my that file in that particular two. I will open the my PPT. Here I have a PPT. I will open this one, just it gets in the digital, and I will that one, right? I will just give me a time to open it, right? Now this is an uploading the file, right? Gets, you have to wait for a while, right? And when it will be successfully uploaded, then we can download that one, right? And you can play it. it will give us a message that download the file, right? Here it is an uploaded, that file is uploaded from my disk to this software alias, and then I have to say convert. So now conversion will be happen, and it will be good if you add the very proper animations and all these things to your content. So it will be good. After the conversion, it will give us a message that is that conversion is completed, and then download the that file created by the online tool. So now it will take a time to convert that PPT into the Word file. Just we have to wait for a while that will be converted. If there is no issue with an internet, no, then it will fastly it will convert. If there is an issue with some internet, then it will take a time. Okay, it will be convert. Till that, meanwhile, we will go with the next one. When it will be converted, it will give us a message that is it is completed and downloaded now. Now the second one is that is called as an there is one option in the PowerPoint, right? Now my version is MS Office 2013, right? It not allow me to record my video, but if you download and install the very latest version of an MS Office, so it will give me a facility that my image will be displayed here, my live photo will be recorded here, and my contents will be going on the PPT. That facility can be added with an latest version of an MS Office, right? Now let me check whether that is completed or not. The processing is going on, but till we will move for this one, and then we will complete that one, right? Now see, suppose I want to record my PPT. What you have to do? It's a very simple. That is, you have to create an PPT with an content and animation and what you want. And now there is an option that is called as an record slideshow. Record slideshow. So now we will see step by step. You have to click on that one, and finally, if you want to stop, so just press escape in this version. Now, if you have a very latest version, it will display you the small menu at the top of the screen, and it will show you that stop, start, like this. But I have a little bit old version, therefore that facility will not with me. And finally, I have to click on the slideshow, and it will show by what way your recording is happened, right? What I will do, I will open this slide, right? Fine. And now my recording is not started here, right? Now what we will do, we will try to make a video of this one, right? So I am on a first slide, and I will go in a slideshow. Now see, there is an option for slideshow, right? Now when I click on the record slideshow, what I will do, I will start the presentation, and then how we can upload it on YouTube, we will see. Now see here, I will start this one, right? Start from beginning, right? And now, once I start from the beginning, right, I will start my recording, right? I will say here, record and start from the beginning, and I will say that start recording, and very quickly I will start my recording. Now, hi everyone. I Kaveri Lad here to explain the different types of gates available in digital electronics. To understand the different gates in the digital electronics, you should have a basic knowledge of an computer application. Basic gates are nothing but it's an circuit which works on 0 and 1. And in today's we are going to be study the basic gates and truth tables of the gates. These are the basic gates and or XOR, S not, and these are the truth table of the specified gate. These are the additional gates which are available in the digital electronics. Now press escape. Now I press escape. Now by what manner I perform the recording, same manner it is going to be recorded, right? Now see, when I say here, slideshow, right? I will click on the slideshow here, slideshow, and from beginning, right? Very quickly I will start it. Now, hi everyone. I Kaveri Lad here to explain the different types of gates available in digital electronics. To understand the different gates in the digital electronics, you should have a basic knowledge of an application. Basic gates are nothing but it's an circuit which works on 0 and 1. And in today's session, we are going to be studying the basic gates and truth tables of the gates. These are the additional gates which are available in the digital electronics. Now press escape. Now see here what happened. Here just I try to record my voice within my PPT. Now there are the n number of softwares are available that help us to remove the noise. Actually, I didn't use an very smart mic, right? If you use an Bluetooth mics and all these things very cleanly, your PPT 2 videos are going to be created, right? And you can edit there are the n number of softwares are there. You can by using that software you can edit your unwanted you can remove the unwanted things which are recorded by mistakenly during the recording. You can remove it, right? Now already that video is but I want to save it, right, somewhere. So what I have to do here, because I recorded this PPT, I recorded in my voice. I have created the videos for this PPT. For that, I have to save it. So for saving, I have to say that just export. I will click on the export here. And after that, I want to create a video. Therefore, click on the create video. And by default, it's an what the settings are there that will be very comfortable for us. And just we will say here, create the video, right? After that, it will ask me where you want to store that video, right? So where I will store in the ICT. And here I will say get in the digital electronic, and it will display me here what is the type of this one, right? So what I will do, I will save this file that is available in my ICT and just save here. Now once you save, so what I want to upload it on my on YouTube channel, right? It's a very simple. I will log on to my YouTube channel, and to create an YouTube channel, it's a very simple. You can easily create your own YouTube channel. It's not big deal. Now, this is the YouTube channel. This is my own YouTube channel. So I can upload my what we can say, my video here, right? How we can upload the videos. Here there is an create and upload is there, right? Go here in the, just to create your YouTube channel, 2-3 steps you have to follow. Right, I will share the one link to you also, how to create a your YouTube channel, right? Now I just click on my upload video, and now I will upload that particular video. I will try to upload that video. Now it will open my channel. I will be in my channel. Now it's a very simple screen or UI you will get here. Just I will say here, I want to drag my PPT, but I have created now PPT to video, right? That is in my ICT folder. And what is the name of this one is Grades in Digital Electronics, right? So I will select it and I will add it. I will select this file and I just added it, right? When I added, it will ask me the details information about that particular file, right? If you want to, I have given and gets gets in the digital electronics. If you want to add some little bit description about that gets that PPT, you can add description about this PPT, right? Or even video about. If it's not mandatory, but if you want, you can, right? After that, what I have to do, I have to just from here also you can copy the copy the link. Link is important for us. Otherwise, when that is going to be play, that is going to be work also, right? This is my actually my URL. If I want to play this URL with you, yeah, any another person, right? I want to share. Now it will ask me the little bit. This is that is a protocol of given by the YouTube. Whether you made it for the kids or no, anyone you have to select, right? And then I will say just next, right? Once I will say it and next, right? No need to add a subtitle, but if you want to add a subtitle, you can, right? I will say just next, right? And again, I will click in the next. Now see, these are the very, very important three things are there, right? Now, if you want to send it very specific people, then make it as in private, means private. Only when you share the link, that persons are going to be access your this video. If I make it as in public, so anybody can access the that video, right? I already copied this one, right? And I will say the publish. Unless and until I do not publish it, that will be not available to you, right? Actually, that is published. Video is published. I will get a message, and where you want to share, it will ask me, right? Now, I will minimize this one, my video, and now I will share to you in a chat box, right? So if I share this video to you, and I hope everybody is able to see that what the YouTube video link I shared. Check in the chat bit. Is it available to you? Is it available?
Yes, madam.
And when you open that one, is it okay or not? If I click on this one,
Just checking, ma'am.
just see whether it is working or not. Very quickly, I will start my recording.
Yes, madam, it is working.
It is working, but it is not a finished one, na? It is not finished one, right? Why it is not finished one? To understand the why it is not finished one. To understand the knowledge. Close it. Close it. Basic gates are nothing but it's a circuit which works on 0 and 1. And in today's session, we are going to be studying the basic gate. Who played? These are the basic gates. These are the additional gates and which are available in the close that one. Okay. Now like this, but it is not a finished recording, right? What you have to do? 1 second, 1 second. Now, why it is not finished?
One of the best
Ah.
educational event in the country.
वो जिन्होंने प्ले किया है ना, प्लीज क्लोज इट. जिन्होंने
My
प्ले
name is Puneet Singh and I represent
Close
the
it.
Institute and I am the Chief
Close it.
Development Officer.
किसी ने तो भी ऑनलाइन किया है.
Science, working in the field of artificial intelligence.
प्लीज
Now,
क्लोज
artificial
दैट वन. किसी ने तो भी क्लोज किसी ने प्ले किया है.
The advent of AI, what we are seeing now is
Madam,
we are-
please wait. I'm searching.
Ah?
Okay, corner of the technology
Searching who has played. Please wait.
हाँ.
will gain immense benefit from artificial intelligence. Now, the benefit which we can
Somebody has played and very continuously next one is played.
I'll just want to
Madam, unable to understand who has started. Please wait. Unmute किया सबको फिर भी start ही है मैडम वो.
हेलो हेलो
கொஞ்சம் தெளிவா ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும்.
Hello, we are solving the problem. Please wait.
நான் வந்து பெஸ்ட் வே டு விஷுவல் எடுத்து நான் எப்படி எடுப்பேன் அப்படின்னா
रोल नंबर 88
Yes, sir. I am roll number 88.
ஹரிசாண்டலா வச்சுப்பேன்.
मैं आपकी मोबाइल में आवाज आ रहा है शायद से
Let's say
नहीं, मोबाइल में नहीं आ रहा है.
यस मैम आपके आपके जब आप आपका माइक अनम्यूट कर रहे हैं तो आवाज आपके ऐसे आ रहा है मैम अभी आप भी साउंड बंद हो गया मैम
फिर भी आवाज आ रहा है सर, फिर भी आ
नहीं मैम मेरे पास तो नहीं आया मैम एग्जैक्टली क्या कर सकते हैं
मैडम को भी आ रहा था. मैडम को भी आ रहा था.
तो क्या करना है लीव करना है मीटिंग रोल नंबर 3 हेलो रोल नंबर 3 रोल नंबर 3 रोल नंबर 7 पाटिल सर हेलो
हा सर
सर आवाज
What's
येतोय का
happening? आवाज येतो का बरं सर तुमचा?
ठीक आहे म्हणजे फक्त माझा आवाज येतो का आणखी दुसरा काही आवाज येतो कोणाचा
नाही दुसरा नाही येत आहे कोणाचा पण तुमचा
नाही.
येतोय.
ठीक आहे ठीक ओके सर
हम्म. हो
रान मॅडम हॅलो
My
मॅम
screen is shared or not?
नाही मॅम दिसत नाहीये रोल नंबर 88
Yes, sir.
मॅम आता आवाज येतोय क्लिअर
येतोय सर.
फक्त माझा एकटाच येतोय का आणखी आवाज
मॅडम
येतोय
जॉईन नाही येत. मॅडम जॉईन नाही येत वाटतं.
नाही नाही आवाज फक्त माझाच येतोय ना ऑनली
हो तुमचाच येतोय.
हो तुमचाच येतोय फक्त.
मॅम जॉईन होतील मॅमचा काही टेक्निकल इश्यू आहे 1-2-5 मिनिटात मॅडम जॉईन होतील
बर चालेल, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
Am I audible?
Yes, madam, but there is disturbances.
Just wait, just wait.
Echo sounds is
Extremely sorry, little bit disturbed. Why, Abhi? Then we will continue with our next point. Now see, while we have created and PPT, right? PPT to video. In that situation, our lot of noisy disturbance was there. Now, by using different tools which are available in the market or in the online platform, we can remove that noises. When you want to create a video, keep in mind that your PPT should be very finished form. It should be in a very finished form. And you have to apply the proper actions and all these things. And later on, first of all, before upload on YouTube, at least 2-3 times you have to finish it, right? But by practice, when you make and practice within a very small infrastructure, we can
Hello, madam.
Yes, madam.
Is lecture is going on, madam, or some disturbance is there?
There is some disturbances, ma'am. Madam
Because
is
I
trying
am
to.
also not getting voice, so I think so. Is there is
No,
some internet
no,
problem
all
or
are on mute mode,
something?
madam.
Yeah, okay, madam. Thank you.
That madam will join again. Don't worry.
Okay, okay.
My screen is visible?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
My screen is visible or not?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes, madam. Visible.
Uh,
Yes.
Sorry.
Visible.
Now, we were at this point, extremely sorry for disturbance. Now see, it's not possible within by using a very single tool, we can create a video, right? You have to means try to learn little bit another applications, how we can clean the voice, how we can remove the noise, how we can stop and add the additional content. It's a very simple things are there. But if you create your PPT very proper, then at a once glance you can create the video and you can upload that video on YouTube. It's a very simple. Now suppose the next important point I want to explain here, that suppose you want to create a Google form, right? What we have to do, right? Now I hope everybody maybe created in Google form and maybe created in quiz also, right? In quiz also, or even in a Google form also, we can add the images and all these things. And suppose you want to set a timer in your Google form or quiz, then there is a need to add the ads on, extra ads on, right? It's a very simple. When you go in a Google form, right? Just 1 second, I will show you. Here I have opened an Google form. One Google form is there, right? 1 second. See here. This is my Google Drive, right? And here, if I open in any form, just go on a new, and on new, if I'm creating a Google form, and just click on Google form. If there is a no add-ons, extra add-ons are added here, so what you have to do? Now, suppose I have quote here that I am creating an Google form, yeah, quiz, what you want. Suppose I am creating an test one, right? I'm creating a test one for MCA student, right? So this will be in my title, MCA students, right? And here same thing. If when I click on this one, so that same name will be available here. But if you want it as a Google form or quiz, you have to decide it first, right? If I want create it an quiz, then I have to make a little bit what settings here. Now this is my questions will be here, and here my settings will be here. Now, do you want this as a quiz? So you have to make it as an what? Make it as an on. Now, here you want make it as a manual immediate after each submission. This is not a proper way.
So I will click here later after manual review. Means what? When student is going to be submit my quiz, then very immediately don't display the result to him or her. Therefore, I will make here later after manual review. Right. Now here, do you make another setting here? Right. What are the settings here? Now see, missed question, respond can see the question where answer incorrectly. No, make it as an off. Correct question, make it as an off. Point value, how many points, I will make it as an off. Right. Now default question point value means point value for every question, new question. If you want to 1, then make it as an 1. Means every question will carry 1 marks, right? And now suppose the how many times that student can respond it, how many responses are collected and protected. The here I will say here that one allow response limit one response means what? Only one time that particular person can be submit that particular quiz means resubmission will not be there. Now collect the email. If you want to verify and collect, and if you do not want, then you can put it, but verified, it's a good option, means every time the email is going to be collected from this one. These are the only basic settings you have to perform while you are creating the quiz, which are that once you have to insert and new form, later on you have to go in the quiz, right? Setting, and in setting, make this is a manual review, right? I will make all these are the off. And one more important I changed here, that is the default value for the question is 1, means every question will having only 1 marks, right? And allow responses editing. The responses can be changed. No, it cannot be changed. And how many times the responses that particular email ID can give? Only 1. Limit to 1 response. Only 1 can be given. Now suppose what I will do, I want to prepare a question here, right? So what is the first question you want? Suppose if I want to add some images here, right? So I will quote here question, which gate, which is not a type of gate in digital electronics. Now see, if you want to add the images, you can add the images, you can code the questions, Now see here, what I am doing here, I will say here, my first gate is OR, second gate is suppose AND, third gate is OT is not a gate, and I will say XOR gate, right? And here I know that OT is a not gate, right? Therefore, you have to click on the answer key, right? And in answer key, I have to say the correct answer. The correct answer is OT. And what is the marks I have to specify here? 1. Now see, the first question will be, which is not a type of gate in the digital electronics. The OR and XOR are the gates. This is a not. Therefore, I will click on the OT and then done. Right. But see here, the requirement is mandatory. So if anyone student has to select. If student not select, then that will be count as a miss out questions, right? Now to save the time, I will make a copy and paste. Make a copy of duplicate of this one, and I will quote a question, which is the truth table of AND gate, right? Now Now I want to add the images here. The how I can add the images here. For that you have to prepare the images first, right? The how we can create the images. I have already the images, but what we will do, I will try to correct the truth table. From the digital electronics, I do not have on that. Okay. Okay, one second. No? I will open and my one web. I want to add the images, right? But now my PC changed. I log in from the another PC, therefore my images is not in my hand. But we will try how we can do it, right? So here, I will copy the images here. The truth table of digital gates. I just search here digital gates. And 2, 3, I will make copy paste, right? Here it will display me the gates of and images of the truth table of the all the gates. So what I will do, I will make a copy first very quickly. And see here, these are the truth table, right? This is the truth table of an OR, right? This is the OR. Then this is an different AND gate is there. This is an AND gate truth table. So very quickly, I will make a copy paste. I will make it as a screen copy, and I will open a pen here, right? I will open a pen and I will paste there these images, right? I will paste these images here. Now, what I will do, I will open in one more pen because I want to create the 4 images, right, of an pen. So now I will minimize this one, and this is an selector. By using a selector, this is an AND gate image, right? I will make a copy, and in another pen, I will make a paste here. In a paste here, and I will decrease the size of this is the AND gate truth table. I will save it in my files. I will save it in my pin drive. So I will open an ICT, and in ICT, I will say here TT1, table 1, truth table 1, right? I will open here another new one, and again this is and this is I will make this is an OR. So I will again, by using a selector, I will create an image of this one, right? Make a copy, and in another one, I will make a paste, and I will copy in TT2, right? Like this, I will make a 4 option for this one. Again, I will make another option here. I will make a copy, and here we will save it into the another file. I will again save this file. I will save it in a TT3, right? Again, I will make a copy paste. I will make an images because images is mandatory. Now, I will copy this image, right? And I will paste in this file, right? And then save it in a TT4. Now I have 4 option, TT1, TT2, TT3, all these 4 options I have. I will close because my work of this one is finished, right? I don't want to save this file. Now, when I come with my Google Drive, right, I will open this, close this one also, and my Google Drive will be available to me here. Now, instead of this option, I want to add the images, right? So what I will do, I will say here that is truth table 1, and I want to quote a message here, right? I will say go in the browse my disk, and you know that my images are in my ICT, and I will open a TT1, right? And then that image is going to be uploaded there. Now see, the image will become here, right? See, now I will give the message, the truth table, for example, 2. Again, I will add the image here in the Google form. I will go in the browse and I will add the second one, and that image is going to be added here, right? Again, same thing, I will go with an truth table 3. Again, I will change my option and I will go with an TT3, and again the things will be happen. Now here I will say truth table 4, and again I want to add the image. That image I am adding from my secondary memory. Now suppose this is an this is an my questionnaire, right? See, now see, if I created a question, but here what is an correct question I have specified, but in this case I didn't specify which is the correct one. So I have to set the answer key. How I can set the answer key? You have to go on answer key, and here this is not a correct answer, right? I have to make it as an off, and I'm talking about the AND gate. I know that the answer of this one is this one, and then I will close the I will assign the marks, and then I will say done. Now see, from this quiz, Google form quiz, I want to show you that how I can create the quiz with an images as well as an number also. Suppose one more question I want to add here, I will make it a copy paste. Now I will say that here identify the image of education, for example. Now I do not have any option, that's why I'm doing like this, right? Now I will remove all these things, right? I will give an choice here, image 1, img image 1. I will make a copy paste of this one, image 1, then image 2, then image 3, then image 4, right? And I want to add the images here. What I will do, I will go here in my images. If I say education 1, and then it will ask, it will add that image here. Now here if I say again add the image, I will add the image here. Suppose image 3. Now if I say again add the image, then browse, and then image 6, for example. And then I will add one more image here, and I will add the image of another. So suppose this is an image 1 I added. Now see, what is our question is that identify the image of education, for example. Now I want to say this is my correct answer, right? So what I will do, go here in the answer key, I make it as an off, and I want to say this is the correct answer of my question, right? And then done. But before prepare the questionnaire, you have to identify the proper images of the answers, and everything you have to keep in a one folder, and then you have to prepare the questionnaire. Now I have just created 3 questions in my test. Before share, what you have to do, you have to say that publish it. The once you published, so now say here publish like this. You will get a message here that is called as in published, right? Now once you get this message published like this, then suppose you want to specify the time for this one, right? And now for that there is a need of an add-ons, right? If this add-ons is not available in your drive, then just what you have to do, you have to go into this setting, and there is an option get add-ons. the which types of add-ons you want, you can add that add-ons in the your drive. But this add-ons is very sufficient for us, that help us to specify the time. Now there is a no time and all these things that I have to add here. So go into this one and get the add-ons. You can click on the add-ons, and you which type of add-ons you want to add in your Google Drive, that will be displayed here to me. I want an notifier, then it's okay. If you want to timer, if you want a timer, the timer is there. You have to search for the timer where the timer is available or not. So you have to search for the timer also. So if anybody limit, I will add the limit here. Okay, it will take a time. I will not explain all these things, but here there is a need. If my PC was there, then I can easily explain how we can set the timer also. But keep in mind, if time will be in your hand, I will explain you this with an example also. But share it and then make it as a shortened URL. Make it as a copy. Now see, if I created and that URL, then you have to share that URL to among the student, and then they will respond the answer, right? I'm sharing that test to you. Just give me a time. Here some settings I have to perform. I will share the that one to you. I shared the test to you. Now, just try to give the answer, all of you. I'm just requesting you, just click on that and give the answers. And once finished, I will go in the responses, and in responses, I will get and what? How many students has responded my questionnaire. Now there is a 0. So everyone has to respond the quiz. Click on that quiz and give the answer. Nobody?
We have to send request to access this form.
Actually, I published it. If you click on that, what message you got?
So we have gotten that request sent for access this form. Otherwise, this will not click or go further.
It is asking the request.
Yes, I have sent the request till it is not open.
Okay.
You need access request.
Actually, what happened? This is I delivering lecture from the HRDC now. I came here, and this PC is completely restricted. I think that's why it is not allowing. If I log on with my laptop now, that will be work properly. I think that's an issue. Therefore, it is not allow us to access the HRDC Gmail account. That's a problem, I think, right?
After request acceptance, we can access this form. Otherwise, this is not active.
Okay. I published actually, but what is the admin's security will be there, I think. Therefore, it will give us a message like that, right? But just wait, how we can do it. Actually, can I make an add-ons and I think that's an issue. I use the HRDC Gmail ID, therefore the permission will not be there. I think somewhere I have to remove the permission, then it will allow us to submit that one, right? But it's okay. If time is there, then I will call the Gaurav and I will make an permission on. But keep in mind, now see here, suppose we will come to the very next important point, but how to create a quiz, that's an important, right? Some technical problems are arises here, I think. if my laptop with me, then I can able to demonstrate all these things. Now, like this same, how we create a quiz, like that you can create a Google form also, right? But for Google form, just you have to click on this one and just click on the Google form. There is no need of and make a setting as a quiz and all these things. When I do not make it as a quiz, then it will be a very simple Google form will be here. Means if you want to make a feedback form, then no need to make it as a quiz. You can just create a form and you can create questions and answer 4 options and scroll bar and everything. You can rating also, you can linear scale you can create, you can upload, you can take in any you can take you can ask for the any documents by taking an upload like this. If I say upload your resume, then you can make it as an upload the any PDF file. If I say upload the resume, right? So it will, I can restrict it with an only PDF file also. And this will be work very properly. It will allow to end user to upload only PDF file. So like this, you can create a Google form, right? Once you create an Google form, now again same problem I think will be happened. It will not allow me to publish. It will allow me publish, but I think it will not allow me to anybody to fill that form. So leave it for a while. If you want to create and teeny user defined a QR code, how we can. So just here in a Google form, I have to say that you want to create an QR. So just here, give the message in the Google, right? You want to create a create an QR code, right? Here, there is a many websites are there. I will go with an tiny URL. This is a very famous website. You can create and shorten website URL also. Otherwise, we can create an QR also. Now, suppose this is my test one. This is suppose I am copying this one, and I want to make it as a very small teeny URL. Then I will paste here, and then I will just ask for the. Now see, everybody is locked here. That's a problem. Everything is locked from this one. There is no. It will not allowing me. I am using an laptop of an HRDC, and that all are the locked, I think. One second. I will try for the from this one tiny URL. Then I will open here, and I will paste this URL here. And now see, it will work. I will say here that is a shorten, and then here I will get this is my big one, right? But this is converted into the very small one. The teeny URL is a website. Lot of websites are there. By using that, you can convert the long URL into short one. And then I will say create a QR code. In which format you want the QR code? I will open with an SVG. You can open in any one. Now this is going to be loaded. Now see, this QR code is loaded for you. Now you can copy this, you can make an PNG and any file with this QR. If I click on the print screen, and that is going to be generated. I will copy it into the pen, and in pen, I will paste this one, and I will crop it, and I will make it as a JPG file. Control C, and then I will say Control N, don't save, Control V. Now, this is my QR code. That QR code, save it. I will save this as a QR for test, right? Now I can share this file to anyone, or I can take a printout of this one. I can put it anywhere, and when anybody will scan this QR code, that person will able to attempt for the test. So it's very simple to create an QR by using an teeny URL. There are the lot of websites are there. By using that website, we can create the QR code for the Google form, as well as we can create the QR for the quiz also. But here permission is this login is not allowing me to share and anything. That's why there is a limitation for me to share this QR also, as well as to share the link also. Because if I log in with my Gmail ID, that will be allowed me, that Google will allow me. Here, the lot of settings, they are restricted. Therefore, I am facing some problems using this Gmail account. But keep in mind, it's a very simple how we can create a form, how we can create a quiz, how we can publish it, how we can create an teeny URL. These are the very, very simple things we can do with an using the different small applications, right? Now suppose you have an JPG file. Now in my folder, I have stored, this is the JPG file. But my requirement is that I want a PDF file, right? And you want to convert the any JPG file into the PDF file. Again, it's a very simple example, simple application is there, which help us to convert the JPG file into the PDF file, right? For example, I want to convert the JPG to PDF, right? And now lot of websites are there. I will open a very first one, convert JPG into the PDF. I will just click on the JPG, and now in my folder, in a ICT folder, I just create an PNG or JPG, both are same. And when I click, it will give me a view of an JPG or PNG file. And when I say that convert this to the PDF, this JPG image is going to be converted into the PDF file. And when you download it, now the JPG file is going to be converted into the PDF. Now see, this is the PDF file. This is not a JPG file. Any file you can convert from JPG to PDF and PDF to JPG also. Now suppose you have a 2-3 PDF file, right? And in PDF file, suppose I want to merge that PDF file. Now see, this is one PDF file, and one more another PDF file is there. I just downloaded here. This is my another PDF file. This is another PDF file. This is also another PDF file. Suppose you want to merge all these PDF files, then we have an best tool available online, that is called as an merge PDF. Merge PDF. Now, when I say the merge PDF file, then it will allow me to merge the PDF file. So now see here, I will just click on the merge PDF files, and here you have to specify select the PDF files, right? I will click on this one. Now, which file you want to merge? Now see here, on a download folder, there are these 2-3 PDF files are there, right? So now if I click on this one, open, it will display me the first file will be here. Again, if I want to add more, then I will click out here. Then which file you want? I will say the national policy. Again, click here. There are the two files I am merging. If you want one more, then again suppose I am say this one, and then again close it. Now see how many files I am going to be merged here. The 3 files I am going to be merged. One by one you have to select the files for the merge, and then you have to say that merge PDF file, right? I will click on the merge. All these files are merged here, and you have to download it, and that file will be here in my download. Now see, when I open my download here, in download, one file will be here, see? That is called as an merge document, right? You can rename it. If I rename this file, that is called as my final PDF, right? And when I open this one, so you will be able to see what are the 3 files I have added there. That 3 files are going to be merged in the one file. Now see, this is a very important tool that help us to merge the n numbers of PDF file in the one PDF file. So this is a very powerful tool that help us to merge the files, right? Now the another important point is that I'm trying to cover that one also. Just wait for the 5 minutes, right? Now, suppose I want to use a software which convert the what is an speech to text, right? So you have to go in the Google, and I want to just say here that is an spell to text. Spell to text. Now see, there are a lot of softwares are available that help me to allow me to convert the spell, what this voice I am going to be speech, that is going to be converted into the text. And now see here, I will open anyone. You can open anyone. Just I will open that particular software. And now see, there is one symbol in everyone, every application, this symbol will be there, right? When I click on this one, it will give me one message that is, it is about security. I will say allow this type, right? Now, now what I am going to be speak, it is going to be typed here. See here. Good morning. How are you? This is a session which is conducted by HRD, HRDC, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Now I will copy this one. You have to stop it, copy this one, and where you want, you can make a paste, or you can make it as a document, right? Suppose I want here, I will make it as a paste, and what the changes you want to correct, you can change it. But it will save the time. By the way, it will help us to save the time, right? This is a software that allow us to convert the voice into the text, right? Now everybody know that what is now see again the chat chat will not allow me, because again this PC is restricted with an administrative setting. Again, some issue will be come here, but just I tried to give a little bit things regarding the ICT. ICT. I hope everybody will be able to understand little bit. Chat GPT, again it will ask me a login, and this PC is authorized by the HRDC office. It's not possible to connect my laptop now. Just I left the chat GPT, how we can create an document, how we can create a script, how we can analyze the data by using an chat GPT. That topic is not possible to cover just because of an changing of an laptop, right? So from this side, I'm ending my session, but I'm extremely sorry because due to some technical issues, it's not possible for me to take in all the content what I said to be taken into this session. I'm extremely sorry about that, right? But I promise you, if you want and some help from my side, anytime you can come to my department. I always be there in my department. I can help to you beyond, and please do come at my department. And I'm sharing my number also, taken number. Even my email ID also I'm sharing. And I'm extremely sorry. I feel very bad because of some technical issues.
No,
Uh,
no, ma'am. Please don't say that. It's
Take a
very
number
informative session.
9420029170. This is my number. Anytime you can call, you can drop me a message, right? If you want any help regarding creating an e-content,
Ma'am, please repeat the number. Ma'am,
number
please repeat the number.
94
Yes.
200
Yes. Yes.
291
291.
70.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anytime you can take my email ID also. I will share the email ID also. Anytime you can come if you want any type of help to create an e-content. I will definitely I will help you to create an e-contents also, right? So from my side, I'm ending this session. If anybody have any type of question, they can ask.
Madam.
थँक्यू मॅडम.
Thank you so much.
आणि
And
notes बद्दल सर्वांचेच नियमित इश्यू होत होते, तशी काही अडचण नाही.
नाही पण मला ते थोडंसं खराब वाटायला लागलं. मला इकडे यावं लागलं मग, आणि थोडंसं जरा वेळ गेला आपला, नाही तर क्वालिटी आणि माझ्या लॅपटॉपवरून मी जास्त चांगलं तुम्हाला कंटेंट देऊ शकले असते, कारण त्याच्यामध्ये मी पूर्ण तयारीने आले होते की तुम्हाला गुगल फॉर्म, तुमची टेस्ट घेणार होते, अनालिसिस सांगणार होते, सगळं सांगणार होते. नाही, एक्स्ट्रीमली सॉरी, आय एम फिलिंग व्हेरी बॅड.
काही हरकत नाही मॅडम, तरी आपण बरंच कव्हर केलं.
No, madam, we have gained few things from your side. That is not bad.
Okay. But if you have any doubt, I already shared my number. Please do come at my department, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And
Thank
again,
you. Madam, there will be a special vote of thanks by Rajbala ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I'm extremely sorry. I'm feeling very bad, Rajbala madam.
No, madam. I have gained something. Firstly, I don't know how to make Google form as well as how to make images, especially in Google form. I was trying last week, but I don't know. So when I know about this timetable, then I join it, and this is the golden opportunity for me to gain something, that how to make this Google form as well as how to use these sites that you have mentioned here. So, madam, as we come to the end of today's event, I would like to take a moment to express our sincere gratitude to Dr. Shridhar Madam for being with us today. Dr. Shridhar, it has been an absolute honor to have you as our guest, and we are deeply thankful for the time you have shared with us. Your presence today has made a significant impact, and your thoughtful words have truly inspired everyone. We are privileged to have had the opportunity to hear from someone of your expertise and experience about ICT. You have not only enriched our knowledge but also encouraged us to aim higher and continue our pursuit of excellence. We are also grateful, madam, for the ongoing work you do with both within the university and beyond. Your dedication to fostering a positive academic environment, your commitment to student welfare, and your contribution to various academic and social initiatives are deeply appreciated. You set a shining example of what it means to be a true leader, educator, and mentor. We thankful you for being such a wonderful part of this event and for sharing your valuable insight with about ICT. Your willingness to engage with us so openly and genuinely, it's truly appreciated. You taught us about how ICT played important role in education, how to create Google Form, how to create a test, upload data on cloud or Google Drive. And you have also experienced us about how to PPT can be converted into video, basic gates in digital electronics, truth table of gates. These all we have got it from this lecture. On behalf of all of us here, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to you, Dr. Shridhar, madam, for your time, your guidance, and for being such an inspiration to everyone present here. Finally, I would like to thank everyone who attended and contributed to the success of this lecture. Your participation made this gathering truly special, and we look forward to many more such enriching experience in the future. Thank you once again, madam, Dr.
Thank
Shridhar,
you so
madam, and thank you to everyone present here for being part of today's memorable occasion. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day, madam. Thanks a
Thank you
lot.
so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.